Hello friends, welcome to this video. Within this video, we will unbox and review the cheapest price speaker I have purchased from Amazon. This is a Zinq Portable Multimedia Speakers. We will see what quality speakers we will have and especially how they produce the sound. So first open the box and see what content we got from the package. Within the box, we have two speakers, each with 3 watt, and the plastic quality of the speaker is really good. Now let's move on to the cable because it's wired speakers. We have one 3.5 mm jack port to input the music data and USB 2.0 port to power the speakers. Also, one plus point, you will get a volume controller too, so it becomes really easy when you want to change the volume frequently. Cable length is sufficient and you can connect easily with an under-table CPU cabinet. This is the overview and outer look of the speakers. For testing, I have connected the speakers with my iMac in something like this way. Now it's time to test the output of the speaker and how they performs.
Apologies, a token gesture. I'm sorry, baby, I don't know no better. You get mad when I show no effort and turn the summer into a cold December. Cruise on the high road, dodging the potholes, tied up and I'm blindfold. She got me going psycho. I walk on a tightrope, my feet get nice cold, my head spinning like a cyclone. She got me going psycho.
Singing, take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers, take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to when we started. Get me out of now, to where we started.
Let me test connecting with a mobile device too. Conclusion. Overall, you will get a clear vocals and a little bass. Don't expect too much. But considering the price point, I have purchased this in less than $5 or as per Indian currency 300 INR. It's a good deal for your normal video watching purpose. You can definitely consider this. This is the Zinq brand and another similar kind of speakers released by Amazon Basics, so you can consider that too. Both product link is in the description. That is it for this video. I hope you like this short review video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more similar technical videos. Bye.